welcome to my channel. My name is Dhruv Kailash. Today we will be discussing agents in AI.
An intelligent agent is anything that waits for some sort of an external stimulus and then acts upon an environment. Agent denotes generally a system that processes information and produces an output from an input. It uses sensors to perceive and actuators to interact with the environment. Percepts refers to the agent's current perception of the environment. Perception is a passive interaction where the agent gains information about the environment without changing the environment. Sensors are used to measure the state of the environment. In the field of artificial intelligence, the sensor is referred to as a percept. The mechanism that provides an action is called an actuator. The code that maps the relationship between percepts and actuator is called an agent program. We can say that there is an input to the percept and an output to the actuator. The program in the middle determines whether the condition have been met and whether to fire the actuator. Now let us discuss different types of intelligent agents. First type is simple reflex agent. It is the simplest of the agents. It performs actions based on a current situation. It doesn't care about the past states or any historical pattern. Example is a thermostat recognizing the current temperature when it is prompted to kick on. It doesn't need to know what happened with the temperature yesterday or what will happen tomorrow. Next type is model-based agents. Model-based reflex agents require more information to function. They use external inputs to function in an environment. It uses its perceived history of previous actuators and the result and its internal memory to make decisions. Example is self-steering mobile vision. Another type is goal-based agents. They use the goal to determine the result of a certain actions and decides what happens in future. If the goal is known, then the agent takes into account the goal information besides the current state information to make the right decision. Example is a GPS system. Goal-based agents needs to determine all the turns to create a route between two destination points. Next type is utility-based agents. These agents are similar to the goal-based agents, but they create the decision-making process by considering the best choices. The utility-based agent is useful when there are multiple possible alternatives and an agent has to choose in order to perform the best action. An example is the GPS route recommendation system, which solves the best route to reach the destination. Last type is learning agents. A learning agent can learn from its past experiences. Learning agent is very popular and is frequently used in AI design. It doesn't require any prior knowledge to function. A learning agent has mainly 4 conceptual components. They are learning element, performance element, critic element, and problem generator. Learning agent learns better ways of doing things through the learning element. Performance element is responsible for selecting external action. Critic acts as the grader using a set of criteria to describe how well the agent is doing with respect to a fixed performance standard. It also modifies the performance element to make better choice in the future. Problem generator is responsible for suggesting actions that will lead to a new and informative experiences. An agent resides in a task environment. The task environment can be broken into 4 categories known as PEAS. Performance is the measure and goal of the agent. Environment is the external environment that the agent will be interacting with and acting upon. Actuators are the mechanism that performs actions on the external environment. Sensors are the inputs needed to understand the external environment. If only one agent is involved in an environment and operating by itself, then such an environment is called single agent environment. Example is solving a Sudoku puzzle. In multi-agent environment, agents must work with other agents to achieve their goals. Example is self-driving cars that interacts with other cars. Competitive multi-agent environments are environments where there are many agents working in a naturally competitive environment. These agents are encouraged to perform better than other agents. Example is a chess match. Episodic environment is an environment in which states are not connected. There is a single trigger and a single action. Example is analyzing an image. Here the agent doesn't care about the previous image or next image. In sequential environment, there is a connection between states. In sequential environment, an agent requires memory of the past actions to determine the next best actions. Example is a chess playing agent. In static environment, the environment doesn't change. Example is solving a puzzle that doesn't have time limit. Dynamic environment changes while agents take decisions. Self-driving car is an example. If in an environment there are a finite number of states and actions that can be performed within it, then such an environment is called a discrete environment. This is an example. In continuous environment, there are infinite number of states between states and actions. Self-driving car is an example.
That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye. Enjoy coding with me, Dhruv.